Hi everyone! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy world of floor cleaning. That's right, we're comparing the Black+Decker Steam Mop and the GorFanty 10-in-1 Steam Mop. One's a classic, the other's a multitasking wonder. It's like comparing a trusty old sedan to a Swiss Army knife with wheels. So, grab your rubber gloves, and let's mop the floor with these two contenders, metaphorically of course. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the price. The Black+Decker Steam Mop is a steal at just $49. Reviewers have praised it for being budget-friendly, especially for those with pets, as it makes cleaning easier. However, some have noted that a short cord can be a drawback. Meanwhile, GorFanty is strutting in at $119. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and multifunctional features, but many feel this price is quite steep. So if you're on a budget, Black+Decker is your best buddy. But if you want all the bells and whistles, GorFanty might just be worth it. Next up, let's talk about heat-up time. The Black+Decker boasts a quick 30 seconds, which many users find satisfactory. They appreciate the efficiency, especially when compared to traditional mopping methods. But wait, GorFanty is here with a 20-second heat-up. Reviewers love this quick heating feature, as it allows for faster cleaning sessions. If you're an impatient cleaner, GorFanty might just be your knight in shining armor. Now, versatility. The Black+Decker can clean sealed hardwood, tile, and stone, making it a solid choice for various flooring types. Reviewers have found it effective, although some desire more features. But GorFanty takes it up a notch with a detachable handheld cleaner and a whopping 10 accessories. Customers rave about its ability to tackle everything from grout lines to tough stains, making it the ultimate cleaning ninja. If you want to clean your floors and then tackle your entire house, GorFanty is your go-to. Let's talk about those harsh chemicals. The Black+Decker is all about that steam life. No harsh chemicals needed. Reviewers love the natural cleaning method, which is safe for families with kids and pets. GorFanty is also on the no-chemical bandwagon, using 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam to eliminate 99.9% of stubborn stains. Customers appreciate this feature for sanitizing their homes without harmful substances. Both of these products are perfect for families. Just remember, if little Timmy starts licking the floor, you might want to intervene. Now, let's discuss cord length. The Black+Decker comes with a 12-foot cord, which is decent, but some users find it limiting. Reviewers often mention needing an extension cord for larger areas, but GorFanty pulls ahead with a 23-foot ultra-long cord. Reviewers love this feature, allowing them to clean larger spaces without hassle. Just make sure your neighbors are okay with you cleaning their house too. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The Black+Decker Steam Mop is budget-friendly and effective, but has a few limitations like a short cord and fewer features. On the other hand, the GorFanty Steam Mop is versatile with multiple attachments and faster heating, making it ideal for extensive cleaning tasks. However, it comes at a higher price point. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your cleaning needs and budget. So who's the winner? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-nonsense cleaner, Black+Decker is your best bet. But if you want versatility and the ability to clean every nook and cranny of your home, GorFanty is the way to go. In the end, both are fantastic products. It just depends on whether you want a reliable mop or a multi-purpose cleaning machine. Whichever you choose, remember to mop responsibly. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product comparisons that are just as steamy. Until next time, happy cleaning. Product links are in the description.